And then your last row, row 29, you are just going to knit 2 together. And you should have 8 stitches. This is really what it'll look like. I'm actually doing the child size, but I'm telling you the adult size while I'm making the child size. I know, confusing, but I wanted to give you guys the adult size pattern instead of the kid size. I thought it would be more popular. But anyways, yes, you want even number of stitches on this side. It would be a lot easier. And you don't have to have your stitch marker, but I do it. You're just going to knit 2 together. And if you come out with an extra stitch, that is totally fine. Just knit it. All right, now we need to close this up. Cut your yarn, leave maybe a 6-inch tail. I don't have my scissors here, so I'm just going to leave a long tail and weave in my stitches. You see how my yarn is attached to this stitch? I'm going to pull this one off first and put it through. Them off on this side. Just like that. And now you just tie a knot. And then you put your needle through the center so that it's on the inside. Pull it out, and then I weave my end. So I just kind of go through some of these stitches. And then I go back. There you go. Cut your yarn. Don't forget to weave this one in. This kind of the same way. I go through this stitch. And then I just go around and then back. And then cut it. So this will be the front. It's longer on the back and then it's shorter in the front. Oh, little matching sets.